You are
Oh,
smart.
thank you.
Actually, I have been practicing English for 2 years already.
Oh, wow. Yeah, very good. Yeah.
But Hindu. राजू चौक स्थिति पार्क में है। आप कहाँ से हो?
बिहार से।
ओ जादू है रे जादू तेरी बातों में।
So जय हिंद दोस्तों, welcome back to my English spoken blog. So how are you all of you? I hope you are great, you are fine. So just friends, we have arrived, means we have come. Its place name is Sippy. You can see this is the location of Sippy. I hope you are watching. And just that side is a Sippy Park. It's the best park. Okay. So just we are to visit here and how to speak English, how to talk to the on the public place, how to remove the hesitation. It's our target, as well as nowadays you are looking many kind of person are getting nervous. Why? Because they are talking to each other properly, but they don't have a knowledge. They don't have a knowledge, and when they speak in the public place, so they get a nervous. Okay, this is situation. So this situation I have to remove. So just and actually because blogger and is to come, so I will meet you them because he's my friend. So that's why. Okay, the best place, and just you can see 4 and 5 foreigners are here. So just I would like to talk. Damn.
Oh, nice.
Hello sir, hello ma'am, how are you? Where are you from?
We're from London.
London?
Yeah.
Actually nowadays I am practicing English, so you can give me any suggestion how to speak English.
Ooh.
Actually,
Just practice.
just practice.
Speak as much as you can, yeah.
Practice important.
Yeah. That's not a great advice, is it? Yeah, for something.
Actually one day I have to go your country means London, because London very best place
Yeah.
entire the world.
Yeah. You definitely get some good practice there.
But when did you come in India?
This morning.
Morning, just you arrived in morning.
Yeah. Yeah.
So you visited City Park in Delhi?
Yeah. We just came into the station and just looking around. So yeah, not bad.
So actually right now I am able to speak English or not?
Yeah.
Properly?
It's good, yeah.
It's good
Yeah, I
because
can
you are
understand you
bro.
perfectly. Yeah.
Because you are bro looking like the best smart bro.
Smart?
Yeah, you are
Oh,
smart.
thank you.
Actually, actually I have been practicing English for 2 years already.
Oh, wow. Yeah, very good. Yeah.
But right now, when I talk to the foreigners like you, so I get a nervous. See, this is a negative thought in my mind.
Okay. No, you've got nothing to worry about. You're speaking very
It's
well.
a bad.
Yeah, no longer.
Yeah. No, it's not bad.
No, bad.
Negative is bad. You
Negative
speak
is
fine.
there.
Yeah, yeah.
I want to speak that about the negative.
Okay, yeah.
So vocabulary it's most important. So nowadays I won't remember the many kind of vocabulary
Okay,
in
yeah.
English language. So it's my problem. Okay, when I talk to the on the public place, so I don't while in speaking many kind of things I see. So I don't know what is the real meaning.
Oh, I see. Okay. Well,
Okay.
in conversation, it's okay. So.
Conversation.
Yeah, completely
Conversation
fine.
and while talking to the how to connect in a public place and how to talk to the person like you and how to fluent speak English, it's my target. So that's why right now I'm making a blog in this purpose.
Okay, yeah.
Because through the blog I can
You see your improvement
Yes.
over time. Yeah. Yeah, very good.
I can connect very best word meaning and I can remember.
They're traveling
Yeah,
for several months.
absolutely.
So that's why.
Sorry, I've got something in my eye. Just a second.
Okay, bye.
Yeah.
Bye bro.
See ya.
Bye ma'am.
दीवाना है ये मन क्यों पागल है धड़कन क्यों।
Sorry, guys. I think we need to get going.
So friends, just you Okay. Actually, right now I am being able to talk to the another person, but it's a naturally I can't speak English because I can't belong from the I amount belong from the London, means European country. I belong from the India. So especially when I will try to the talk, so definitely no talking, talk. I will try to the speaking when will I try to the talk, so definitely I can do it. Okay, so this is a CP Park, best park and very best location, and I think this it's so in this way we have to practice and we have to remove the hesitation. Hello ma'am, can you punch it? You can get what it is. आप ठीक है, जब ऐसी करेंगे आप लग तो रही हो आप क्या हिंदू। राजू चौक पार्क में
जनवरी में तोहरा के देखते देती हनी हम
भी पंडित हैं, सब थोड़ी लेकिन पंडित नहीं, हमारा नाम प्रिंस हो जाए। आपका नाम? प्रिया चौधरी। आप कहाँ से हो? बिहार से। बिहार में किस स्टेट से?
रोहतास जिला।
रोहतास, गोपालगंज।
नहीं
हम ऐसे आप गैस कीजिए इसमें क्या
कुछ मिलेगा मेरे को?
क्यों नहीं
मिल जाएगा, ऐसा बात थोड़ी। अब आप बोलिए आपको क्या चाहिए?
ए रहा नहीं जाता, तड़प ही ऐसी है ना।
टिकट आया यार, 21 रुपए की टिकट आ जाती है यार।
नहीं, आईफोन तो नहीं दिला सकते, हम छोटा मोटा बुला कर।
चलो ठीक है, कोई सा भी चॉकलेट भी मिल जाएगा।
अच्छा, आप बता सकते हैं आप बिहार से हैं तो आप ये विजिट करते हैं, मतलब घूमते हैं, आपको क्या इंग्लिश में कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता है?
हाँ, इंग्लिश में अगर मैं बोलूँ तो मेरे घर वाले समझेंगे नहीं, कहेंगे क्या बोल रही है।
नहीं, अकॉर्डिंग टू एजुकेशन। अच्छा, आज के डेट में इंग्लिश इम्पोर्टेंट है?
हाँ बिल्कुल है।
मतलब आपको मान लीजिए दुनिया घूमना हो, वर्ल्ड में जाना हो, लंदन जाना हो, अदर कंट्री जाना हो, जैसे जापान जाना हो, या कोई जॉब करना हो आपको,
अगर समझ नहीं आए तो
नहीं, आई अंडरस्टैंड इम्पोर्टेंट, बट इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं जो नाउ डेज। अभी इम्पोर्टेंट क्या है, अभी आज के समय में देखिए आप किसी को भी, मतलब आपके घर में किसी ना किसी का तो जॉब तो सब कोई करता ही है, कोई ना कोई, आपको पापा करें या कोई भी करे, चाहे आप करें, उसके लिए अभी गवर्नमेंट फील्ड हो या सरकारी हो, मतलब कहीं भी इंग्लिश इम्पोर्टेंट है। अच्छा देखिए, ये इसमें तो अभी फिलहाल कुछ नहीं।
देखते देती हनी हम दिल हो। अच्छा,
फिलहाल अभी कुछ नहीं है, तो आप क्या
पता नहीं है, जैसे वीडियो बनाने आते हैं कि हाँ आता नहीं है, मुझे लगा कुछ मिल जाएगा मेरे को भी।
Of course, I can give you definitely, but just I didn't buy. मैं अभी नहीं खरीदा।
आप मैं फेसबुक से ज़्यादा, मुझे फेसबुक से ज़्यादा लोग जानते हैं।
ओके। So friends, you can see actually
मार के कनखी नैनन से गुरदेल चला वेलू।
see already told you nowadays English is important. Okay, so let's go, and today we have to visit this important
रुक बाटे आजा बेटा जाप के बाब्यूटी मन करे
and very best place for the visiting, and
रोम भाइयों।
so we have to talk to the many kind of person. Okay, so stay with us. So friends, just my friend has come here, so I would like to meet him.
I am not friend.
You are not my friend, but who are you?
I am your brother.
You are my brother.
Actually,
But brother and friend, it's a no, it doesn't matter, it's a similar meaning.
No.
You don't know.
No. Not a similar. Okay.
So you can give me
Brother is
something.
अलग.
You can give me something.
What?
Do you have any toffee, any
No.
chocolate,
No.
butter? But I have a coffee flavor. Do you want?
No, नहीं है. कुछ नहीं है. नहीं चाहिए. कुछ भी ना चाहिए.
What?
काला नाग।
रहने दो यार.
No. What is this?
This is takla.
Oh, takla. So friends, let's go and just he has come here, and we have to practice and we have to improve English, and as with the many kind of person. So just we have to visit that place.
दो संडे को कुछ पता रहता है बात क्या है
हैं?
दो संडे को पता रहता है
Yes, it's Sunday today, so there are a lot of traffic. Okay. So just I would like to meet. Hello, ma'am. You can speak English? You don't speak English. Actually, I want to learn English, so you can teach me. She won't speak me, bro, because I am not handsome, na. So that's why. But according to me, right now, I am looking like Superman. So what is it? How am I looking today? Please comment me, because I am very handsome boy. Actually, I understand myself. So friends, these all are my friends. So you can see.
ना भाई हम ज्वेलरी शॉप थोड़ी खोल रखे हैं ज्वेलर का
Jewelry shop.
हाँ
So why are you laughing?
चलेंगे सोना नहीं अच्छा
So actually
कह रहा है जी
actually your smile is like girl.
वाह
But
तो भी बहन जी कुछ बोलने के लिए कुछ मैं कुछ भी बोलोगे
why are you speaking?
ओ भाई मैं
हम कोई मंदिर का घंटा है कि कोई भी आके बजा जाता है।
आपका फ्रेंड भाई
Why are you speaking?
डू यू इंटरेस्ट इन बॉयज
Actually, I am interesting boys and I am English.
कैसी अपमानजनक बातें कर रहा है लड़का, ये अश्लील है ये लोना। आपने
Okay, no problem. So actually you want to learn English.
यस
So did you join any coaching center? So if you want to join, so you can join my coaching center.
व्हाई नॉट
Why not?
Yes.
You know English?
या a little bit
What is this? What is the Goggle?
Yeah.
Goggle या Google?
गूगल
Goggle से Google.
गूगल
Goggle.
Yes.
No, it's a perfect word meaning. But you don't know.
काय बोलतो मला काहीतरी कळतच नाही काय
English के सिवाय यहाँ कुछ नहीं चलता.
बिहारी बोल
Without English, no problem.
मराठी आ गया मराठी पकड़ो इसको
Without English, there is no allow in my blogs, okay? Because I am English blogger. So friends, you can see.
एक्सक्यूज मी लिसन
Actually, these are a city park, which is Central Park, and it has been decorated very well and very fine. You can see in the night time. It's a very many kind of person had come here for the enjoying, for the dancing. So you can come here, okay? Also, so you can see many kind of person are here. But right now I am getting right now I'm not getting a nervous. Why? Because I want to become a best English speaker in the world, and I have to visit. So active with us. Okay, you can see it's a Central Park. Okay, so let's go in this particular way. We have to practice. Actually, bro, this is a gate of Sippi. Okay, actually, it decorated. Okay, so this is the location of Sippi. You can see this pillar has been decorated, and that side, it's a very best place, and there are many chairs and there are many public. Okay, and like you can see. It has been made such of the place for to have a fun. Okay, you can see best location. Okay, actually some of the dancers have come here, so that's why. Okay, you can see. Yeah, it has been decorated. So let's go. Actually, we have to enjoy and we have to learn English, how to speak English fluently and confidently. So in this purpose, we are practicing nowadays, and it's a very important. Actually, I want to speak to you many kind of some of the persons, means some of my friends or sent me message through my YouTube channel. So he was they were speaking to me. How can you speak English? How can we speak English? No, how can I speak English? No, how can we speak English? So actually I want to speak you, because if you want to speak English fluently and confidently, so first of all we have to watch you, we have to catch such of the person who speak English. Okay, suppose that anybody speak English, so you can learn English through the him like me. So nowadays we are practicing English and simple sentence is most important. So friends, I can ask you some question. Actually nowadays I am making a blog in English. Actually you don't know English. Actually मैं इस वजह से इंग्लिश बना रहा हूँ क्योंकि इंग्लिश मुझे सीखना है. तो क्या आपको क्या लगता है कि इंग्लिश ज़रूरी है नाउअडेज आज के समय में? जैसे आप नहीं बोलते हैं, अभी मैं बोला आप नहीं समझ पाए, और मान लीजिए आप कहीं भी घूमने के लिए जा रहे हैं या कहीं भी जा रहे हैं तो आप जो उसमें कोई ना कोई आपको डिफिकल्ट तो आएगा. मतलब ये ज़रूरी है कि नहीं इंग्लिश?
बहुत ज़रूरी है.
हम हमारे ऑडियंस से कुछ आप बोलिए.
इंग्लिश बहुत ज़रूरी है अभी के टाइम में, जैसे चल रहा है जैसे.
Actually my brother wants to speak English. Nowadays English is most important. Okay, he wanted to speak this word, but he doesn't speak English. He doesn't speak English language, so that's why he has spoken Hindi. So thanks bro, nice to meet you and nice to talk to you, because you whatever you spoke, according to you, nowadays English is important.
Yes.
So let's go. This is a park of Sippy, means the Central Park. Okay, very best location. So in this way I have to talk and I have to remove it. Right now you can see this is a pasina. What is the meaning of pasina? I don't know. So you can send me through my link what is the meaning of pasina, but I will search it and I will remember it. Okay. So this is your area and you can just I would like to talk to you 2 and 3 person. Okay. So hello ma'am, you speak English? You don't speak English? I can talk to you? आपसे बात कर सकता हूँ? क्यों? Why? Because I am handsome boy. No problem. But bye bye.
तेरा ध्यान किधर है ये तेरा हीरो इधर.
Hello ma'am, I can talk to you? No.
I'm not interested.
जो भी मैं कहूँ तुझे लगता है क्यों गलत. पलट.
Thank you.
But you speak English. Actually ma'am, no problem. Actually they don't want to me. Okay, so no problem. But some of the person I will meet this kind of whoever, like whoever or who all जो मुझसे बात नहीं करेंगे, जो means who won't talk to me. This word, this text, this is a English word. Okay. Where? So finally friends, we are visiting today's city. So just I try to talk to the almost 4 and 5 person I talk, and as well as and just I would like to meet you. It's a very cute girl. Okay, but it's no problem. Okay, I would like to talk to you. Hello ma'am, you can talk to me? No. Why? Because right now I am practicing English. You speak English?
हर जवाब नहीं खेले तोला जवाब काढू हमरा जोई समझी.
But you were speaking English.
तोहरा गलिया के डिंपल जान मारे.
Actually I make a vlogs in English.
लोक बाटे आजा बेटा जाप के ब्यूटी मन.
No. Okay, no problem. But bye bye.
एगो त दिलवा गोरी ओ भी तहार भइल रतिया.
Okay. She won't speak with me. Okay, no problem. You can see this is a view of Sippy. There are a lot of the person here. There are many person here, and as well as they are talking to the with friends. Actually, the one content creator here. I can talk to you. You don't speak English. Okay, no problem. Actually, this is your main problem. So when I try to talk, many persons they don't no, don't talk to me. I don't know English. Okay, it's there is one festival is going on, so many kind of person are dancing here. So today is a festival. Okay, but no problem. We will visit and we will talk. We will try to talk, and in this way we will practice. Okay, there are 3 and 4 persons, so I would like to meet you. Okay, so let's go. So friends, actually right now I am thinking this. Actually I have one problem. What is the problem? I would like to share with you. Okay, actually whenever I talk to the like girls, like any boys, any girls, so they speak to me. No, I don't know English. So this is a very no, there is no environment in our country, so I can't talk to the many persons, means English. I can't talk to the English with many persons. Okay, but right now I am trying. You can see almost this is a park. Okay, suppose that I have to talk to the any person. I have to speak. Yes, I want to talk to you in English. You have a knowledge of English. So 4 and 5 person in the 100 में से almost 4 and 5 person speak. Yes, I can talk to you in English. This is a problem. So that's why by cutting, I make a video. Cut. So this is a problem. Okay. So let's go this way, or we'll make a video and properly and every day. Okay. So friends, we are going to from CP. So because inside the CP park, police is forbidding. Don't make a video in the park because it's a festival is going on here. So that's why they are stopping me. So how did you like by watching this video? Please comment me, and every day I will make a video properly how to speak English fluency and confidently. So please support me and like me. Right now I am want being able to speak English fluency. Okay, I understand, but right now I am trying. Okay, without trying I can't speak English. So please comment me, and I will meet you another video, another best with new topic. And so we Jai Hind, Bande Mataram, bye bye, take care.
अखियां ना गोली मार दिया अंदरों प्यार